I hope you're having a great day. Today is watering day. You've seen me do it before. I'll put a couple little clips. I simply water all my plants from the bottom. I pour water into the bottom of the trays, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I dump it out. I also am going to start some Perennial Asters today, and then my friend Dee gifted me some Baptisia, and so I'm going to do that as well. I think that would be a great filler. So I'm going to start those seeds today. I'll put a link on how I start all my flowers from seed. It's pretty much the same. And then each one of my flowers, I have a fast facts video if it has to be buried or not buried. So that's on the agenda for today. It's getting closer. I'm hoping as soon as we can get the ground tilled, I can get up my deer fence and I can get all of my drip irrigation and my plastic ran. I'm going to be able to start putting my snapdragons and my lisianthus in the ground, which is going to free up like an entire shelf in the basement. But I do have enough for these. I have other seeds I'm starting this week, so I'll just figure it out. Okay, so I realized I have this Aster Novae Belgii. I don't know if that's how you say it. And then you have the Callistephus Chinensis, or whatever, however you say that. So this one is actually an annual and this one's a perennial. So I decided to go ahead and do my full tray of my perennial because that's what I have mapped out in my garden. But these are beautiful, which is probably why I picked them out. So I'm going to go ahead and do some annuals and put in some empty spots in my annual bed. And then I'm going to put some Baptisia in there too. Baptisia. So I changed it up a little bit, but that's what I'm doing. So the asters need light to germinate, so I'm just going to sprinkle those seeds on top and kind of lightly press them in. And then the Baptisia actually needs to be about 1/4 inch down. So I'm going to press it down and cover it with soil. Let's get started. I just filled up my very last spot in my grow room. So I think what I'm going to start doing is hardening off my lisianthus and my snapdragons, because hopefully in a week or two we will be able to get the field tilled and then I can put them in. And in the meantime, they need a little bit of sunlight every day. So I might run these out to the farm and then take them in and out each day and give them like an hour of sunlight and then 2 hours and just kind of build them up to getting sunlight. And then they'll be there and they'll be ready for the field. How exciting. So I got those planted and I have a lot of other ones to plant. Those asters, I didn't realize there were some annuals. I bet they're going to be really pretty. So I might want some more trays of those. So after I get these out to the field, I think I'll be able to, I'll have room for more. Maybe I won't in the field. That's an okay problem to have though, right? You have too many flowers and not enough space. I can just put them around my house. I hope everybody enjoyed this video.